Mouth taping is a practice that encourages nasal breathing during sleep. It involves applying a special tape over the lips. This technique discourages mouth breathing. Advocates believe it has many health benefits. They claim it can improve oral health and sleep quality. Some suggest it might reduce snoring and symptoms of sleep apnea. Mouth taping can also help maintain proper pH balance in the mouth. It may also increase nitric oxide production, which is beneficial for cardiovascular health. Moreover, it's believed to aid in preventing dry mouth. This can protect teeth and gums from decay and disease. It might also enhance facial and jaw development in children. However, mouth taping is not a replacement for professional medical advice. It should not be used as a solution for sleep disorders. Individuals with chronic breathing difficulties should seek professional help. It may not be suitable for everyone. The tape used should be hypoallergenic and easy to remove. Safety should always be the top priority. If you experience discomfort or difficulty breathing, stop immediately. Consider consulting a healthcare professional before trying mouth taping.